What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben. In today's video we are going to be doing unboxing on some fresh Amazon inventory that we just got in. Make sure you stick all the way to the end. We're going to be showing you guys the inventory and how we add it to our Amazon store. Let's get into the video. All right, so as I mentioned, today I'm gonna open up some brand new inventory that just got brought in by our supplier and dropped off. And we're gonna be showing you guys what product that we ordered, and we're gonna be listing it on the Amazon storefront. If you guys like my content, do not forget to smash that like button. That helps us out immensely, helps out the YouTube algorithm. All right, now let's take a look at our product. So we just got in, we ordered a couple different products, but I'm gonna go over one in specific. So as you guys can see, this is a Orgain brand keto. It's a protein powder, and this one is gonna be the chocolate flavor. So this is a really well-selling product that we picked up off of one of our newer suppliers, and we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the back end on how we add that to our store and exactly what the process is when you're buying products wholesale, bringing them in, labeling them, and then sending them out to Amazon. Take you guys through the whole process and show you exactly what we do on a day-to-day basis. So let's flip over to my screen here. I'm just on Google. All we're gonna do is go ahead and Google Orgain keto collagen protein powder. Chocolate. So we see a listing right here. We scroll down, make sure it's the right thing. Yeah, and we look at the net weight, 0.88 pounds, 400 grams. That's exactly what we are looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and apply to sell, and we're gonna get ungated for Orgain. So because we have a little bit of a seasoned account, it is much easier for us to get auto ungated. If you guys aren't familiar with ungating, head over to my ungating video that you can see up in your screen here now, and I will show you guys how you can get ungated for different brands as well. So as you can see, your selling application is approved. Congratulations. So now we're able to sell this product. So we're gonna hop back over to the listing, and we're gonna see, okay, this has the exact same nutrition facts. This is the exact same product. We know that this is the exact product that we're looking for. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our ASIN. So that is right here, our parent ASIN, and then we're gonna hop on over to our Amazon account, and under catalog, we're gonna go add products. So that's the screen here. Now we're just gonna paste, boom. This is exactly the product we're looking for. We see Orgain keto collagen, all of that information. We're gonna sell this product in brand new condition because as you can see, it is a sealed package. We're gonna go here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna match the lowest price because we want to actually be able to sell this product. We wanna be in that buy box. So we're gonna go lowest price, match that 27 bucks. And we've done the research in the past to know that this product's gonna work for us. We're able to sell the product, and we got it at a price point that we can afford to make profit on. So we're gonna go through, you have to add dangerous goods information. So what this means is if it contains a battery in it, obviously it's protein powder. Is it a dangerous good, a hazard material? No, again, it's a protein powder, so we're good to go for that. We're just telling Amazon that we acknowledge the fact that, it's not dangerous to transport and it doesn't pose a threat to anybody. So we go through there, and they're going to automatically be taken to a shipping page. So from here, you can see that this is where you'd go ahead and build your shipping plan. Because we have some other products that we're still going to want to be adding in here, we're not going to go ahead with the shipping plan today, and I will just repeat the process with the other products that we brought on. So really guys, this is really all it takes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through, add all my products. Once I get them in there, I'm just gonna go through the steps. I'm gonna print out some labels, slap my labels on here so Amazon knows that this is my product and it doesn't get confused with other people's products when they all end up in the warehouse together. And then after that, I'm just gonna print off labels, slap them on the box here, put everything in, make sure that I weigh it, and I take the dimensions of it, tell Amazon exactly what they're inspecting, and then this guy goes in the back of the car and I take it over to UPS, and then you basically just wash your hands from that point. Amazon takes on the responsibility of storing the product, pulling it and sending it to the customer when it sells. Any returns or issues with the products, Amazon deals with that entirely. That is the beauty of the FBA program. So let's get this thing back in the box and finish up our shipping plan so that we can make sure to get this product out to all of the customers that are waiting for it. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I wanted to show you an unboxing of some fresh inventory, go through the process and just show you how simple it is to add products to your store and find products that are going to work for you in your Amazon business. If you guys like my content, do not forget to smash that like button. Make sure that you hit subscribe and the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new video. As well, let me know down in the comment section if you're struggling with any part of the inventory process. I hope it was helpful to see some of the products that we're buying, how we list them, and our workflow. And until the next time, we will see you later, guys. Take care.